Hello, and welcome back to iCalculator. Over the past few videos, we've journeyed through Ontario's tax landscape. Today, we're reaching the final stage of this journey, the process of filing taxes in Ontario. Filing taxes can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, it doesn't have to be. Let's take a step-by-step look at how to file taxes in Ontario. Step 1. Gather all your tax slips and receipts. These include your T4S, receipts for eligible deductions, and any other relevant financial documents. Step 2. Decide if you're going to use a tax software or hire a professional. If you have a simple tax situation, software might be enough, but if your situation is complex, it might be worth getting professional help. Step 3. Fill out your tax return. This is where you report your income, claim your deductions and credits, and calculate your tax owed. Step 4. Check your work. Make sure all the information is correct and complete. Small mistakes can lead to processing delays or even audits. Step 5. Send your tax return to the Canada Revenue Agency. You can do this online, by mail, or through a tax professional. For the most current rates and detailed calculations, you can visit our website iCalculator through the link in the description below. We hope you found this video series helpful. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to taxes. With the right information, you can navigate Ontario's tax system with confidence. For more tax guidance, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video if you found it helpful, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.